He was all alone and a young kid. I was scared to go alone, but at the same time, he don't want to make his mother sad. So he left to fetch firewood, carrying a dagger given by his late father when he was one. When it was time for him to get back to home, it was already dark. That made him more scared, but he was determined to go home as early as possible because his mother might be searching for him. While rushing back to home, on the way he met with his own replica. He was shocked to see him. He asked him, "Who are you?" and in return, the boy asked him the same question. They looked the same as they looked each other. Now the question was, who is the real one? Real son of the mother. The real son was afraid. What if his mother chose other one over him? Many things were running in his mind after reaching home. Mother was confused